The peaceful pause, understanding, ceasefire. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we're about to explore the meaning of ceasefire. Have you heard this term before? Whether it's your first time or you've come across it before, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Before diving into the exact meaning, let's break down the word ceasefire into its two components. Cease. This means to stop or bring to an end. Fire. In this context, it refers to the act of shooting or firing weapons. So, when we combine them, it paints a picture, doesn't it? A ceasefire is an agreement between conflicting parties, especially in war or military conflicts, to stop fighting for a certain period. This pause in hostilities can be temporary, or it can be a step towards a more lasting peace agreement. Imagine two sides in a conflict deciding to take a break from fighting. They're saying, let's stop shooting at each other for a while. That's a ceasefire. To understand better, let's see some examples of how ceasefire can be used in sentences. 1. The two countries agreed to a ceasefire after months of intense fighting. 2. The ceasefire was broken when rebels launched a surprise attack at dawn. 3. International organizations often help in brokering a ceasefire during conflicts. The concept of a ceasefire is crucial because it provides an opportunity for conflicting parties to negotiate without the pressure of ongoing combat. It offers a temporary relief to civilians and others affected by the conflict. It's a sign of hope that a peaceful resolution might be possible in the future. Understanding terms like ceasefire not only enriches our vocabulary but also helps us grasp the complexities of world events. We hope this explanation has shed light on its meaning and significance. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.